Hi everyone, and welcome along to today's video. So here we are in the old loo, and we have a little problem I'm sure that you've had many a time, and it's this one. We've had the grandkids up to stay, and they used the loo, and as you can see it's gone well out of line, and it's kind of gone like that. Yeah, it's come loose. So how do we fix this one? Because it looks like you can't actually do it, because if you go to tighten it up in the bottom, I'll show you that there's no screws showing. Now there's where the seat goes through, but obviously there's no screws here, is there? No way you can get a bolt done up. So what's going on here then? Well, there's a little trick with these ones I'm going to show you. So here we go, then you can really see how bad that seat is. And obviously the little secret is lift it up, get it lined up roughly where you want it as well first. Get it in position where you want that to be. Then lift up the other bit, and you'll find there's a little pin here, that needs pushing in to lift the seat away. Push them in and the seat will lift away like that. Right, that will leave you with these couple of covers here. Now they can be a bit stiff and sticky. Sometimes they'll just pull away, like this one will pull away like so, revealing that underneath. This one was a little bit sticky, to be honest, but I've loosened it, so I haven't got to show you. But literally you just put your screwdriver on and leave it up like that, okay, and it will come away. And that leaves you with the fixing bolts. And these are what's come loose. Well, primarily this one's still quite good, as you can see. Because what happens is that bolt goes down into an expanding piece of rubber that expands inside the pan and holds it, so you don't actually see a nut and bolt when you look underneath. If you see what I mean. So we're going to just tighten this up now, because this is the main one that's come loose, and you will want a posi, not the flat end. Excuse me. So with the correct screwdriver in hand, a posi, hold this nice and firm, because now this is the right position for the seat to go in. This is the one that's loose, and we're just going to tighten him up. That's better. And just to make sure, do the other one as well, but hold it in position like so, and you can feel if they're nice and tight, and they are now. So we're okay. Wipe anything that's coming off my gloves, so don't worry about it. This is good. Gloves are. Give it a clean again before you put the lid back on. So we do that first.
Great opportunity to clean the toilet lid as well. Toilet,
yeah, because obviously you've got the seat off now, so you can clean all the back of the seat as well, do all that, so it gives you an opportunity to give it a clean up. So we do that first. So when we're happy with that, nice and clean, put the caps back on. These are just covers. As I say, they do stick over time, so do remember that you may have to prise it up with a screwdriver. Okay, once they're on, get your seat and literally drop it on. You can see where it's got to go there, exactly. Alright, and pop it down. It should drop easily, so if not, just only if it's not quite going down properly, it's because it might not be in dead right position. That's it. It's dropped on, so give it a little push if it needs to. It will line up. Once it's lined up dead, you know you've got it. And there you are, your seat's back on. As you can see now, it's dead right. It's dead square again, and once again, nice and tight. It shouldn't move. And that's about it really. So just a little one, so sit down. Yeah, there's a use for it. Okay, all my stuff, I'm going to go. Darren 33. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.